Hey guys, today through my YouTube channel I want to share one of my best experience in my life of Sikkim tour. So, welcome to Khan Wakhim Homestay. Such an amazing experience of my life about the hospitality we get from each member of this homestay. This homestay is situated at the middle of Temiti estate, approximately 25 km far from Rawangla city in Sikkim. From here, the Kanchenjunga view is very nice. So, let's come to the point. No doubt, so many persons have met with this Rai family and they left their review at the Google website. You have got the link of this homestay in the description box below. Now, talk about the meeting, greetings and journey with this family. Meeting and greetings part is too short, but journey with this family is really amazing and memorable too ever in my life. We have started a short trip on 14th November to 19th November. We have hired this homestay as per the suggestion of Dipankar Roy, Northeast Travels. On 18th November, we have reached to this homestay. As per the location is new to our driver. That's why it's a slight puzzling journey to us to reach this homestay. After reaching to our destination, we have entered to their family with a warm welcome of Mr. Julian, owner of this homestay. Then they provide us our allocated rooms. After that, we have refreshed with their homemade hot ginger tea, which is more perfect for our rainy day. We are invited to their dining hall, which is attached with their kitchen. Here we get an opportunity to meet with their family members and Mr. Julian has introduced them with us. But this is my first experience of homestay. But truly, I want to share to my all viewers that it's such an innovative idea to feel visitors as a member of their family. And here's the main difference between hotel and homestay. Hotel is too much commercial, but homestay is not like that. Trust me viewers, try to stay this type of homestay. Just such an amazing experience, and it will be another level if you have connected with this type of family. Their hospitality responsibility for their visitors is too much satisfying, and they have shared their homemade pickle with us. Now let's talk about the day after 18th November. We have faced some trouble about the arrangement of car to reach NGP station on 19th within 6 pm as our train has scheduled. At that time, Mr. Julian says one sentence to us. That is, you are my family member, you are my responsibility. Trust me viewer, this single sentence has meant a lot to us. But then we don't know what we have been going to experience in our life. Most of my viewers have seen so many films based on predicted natural disaster like The Day After Tomorrow, 2012, Into the Storm, 10.0 earthquake and so on. But we have experienced the real natural disaster on our journey, which is never ever landsliding in Sikkim. And on the next day, Julian has arranged their own bolero which has driven by his own uncle. Julian's mom has packed a delicious dish for us for the breakfast, and all of them are in front of their home to say goodbye to us, like what we have done with our relatives. Next, our journey has started with Mr. Julian's uncle with the heavy rainfall at the early in the morning around 8 am, because they have told due to heavy rainfall there's a high chance of landsliding and blocking of roads. In that case, uncle should get another chance to change the route to reach our destination. Next, our Bolero has covered so many distance. Then we have reached to Rangpur city around 1 pm. Then uncle has assured us that within 3 hours we have reached to our destination. So not to be worried, we have to take our lunch, and after taking lunch, next our journey has started. Next we have crossed the border of Sikkim and West Bengal. Then we have faced fast landslide where a JCB is in the working condition with some polish. Time flows like a river. At that moment, we have failed about this quote because my brother has found that our RSC ticket has confirmed, but due to this bad weather, we can't reach to NJP station on that day. Okay, not an issue, because at this moment we have to be calm and quiet, and we have to be accept this situation. In this situation, we have to be safe and assure our family member that we will back. Then also uncle has assured us like a family member. Truly, I want to share how much thanks we have to say him and his family is too less number for them. On that day, we have felt that river has an ability to roar like a sea. We have found the dangerous flow of Tista. What a current of it! There so many vehicles have stopped due to the landslides at intermittent places. At that night, full road has blocked near Kalojora. Then uncle has arranged hot Maggie for us as dinner from a shop. We can't connect to our family member due to the poor network services. Then we have spent a night in Bolero just because of we can't move forward on that day. A memorable night ever in my life where we five are in a Bolero. Next day at the morning time, we have experienced in our own eyes how the landsliding has blocked the road on that day. We have felt about the all crisis situation in the aspect of food, money, network, charging issues, etc. On that day, I have felt that how much number of ATM cards a person have, it doesn't matter. If you don't have any cash with you, how much number of phone with you, it also doesn't matter because there is a huge charging issue. How much SIMs in your phone, it also doesn't matter. You can't communicate with your family due to a huge network issues. At last, we have reached to NJP on 20th October around 11 pm. After passing of several blockage of road due to this landsliding. Today, we are with my family truly just for our beloved uncle G. N. Rai. He is like a gift by God to us, and we can't forget this whole contribution of this Rai family. And last but not the least, that I want to say special thanks to all of my friends, those who are too much worried about us and maintain contact with us and help us as per their ability. Really, we are too much thankful to those one. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.